What's up guys, Call Sign Joke here. Today I got you not just another Ord Airsoft video, instead I got you a little something different. Today I got you some gameplay footage from 2 points of view, mine and my friend Nick's. We are playing on the tan team as US Marshals who need to get the objective Juan from Mayor's Mansion to Jailhouse. The Cartel, the green team, sets an ambush spawning on the beach side and on the right side. They need to take Juan back from us and take him all the way to the Mint, which is right next to the Mayor's Mansion. Everyone has their work cut out for them, so enjoy.
That's it.
After getting taken out right there, Nick and a few teammates hold the embassy, fighting off enemies from both left and right. At this point, Nick's GoPro goes out, and so the rest of the footage you're about to see is just mine. Don't worry though, in the next video you'll see puts in a new battery, so you'll see more footage from him.
Shit, really? Ten. There's a guy hitting us from an angle right here, on the right side.
You got a rifle?
I know, but I stick out too much.
Now, I know I shouldn't have shot the guy up close, and it was on accident. Again, the rule at Ord Airsoft is to always switch to your secondary once inside. It was my intention to shoot the enemies outside, but the guy that came up caught me off guard. Sorry, dude.
Fuck. Oh, shit. Fuck, sorry, I dropped my pistol over there. No, it's okay, I can run and get it. I just gotta drop my rifle. Crossing. Careful, don't take it across. Alright. That doorway is like no one's defense point. Alright. I just had to get out of there. I wasn't getting much stuff. Got him out of the window.
Second story?
No, first floor. At a window. Whoa! That was close. Yep. That's just all hitting. Whoa. Whoa, hit! Good shot, good shot! Hey, can we get into this building right here or no?
Oh, which one?
This one right here, on the right.
Ever since the enemy has pinched us from the ambush, they keep sending reinforcements to the right. So I move up with some friendlies on the right side, help and flush them out.
Yeah, we got a homeboy right down there now.
Yeah, but he's not inside, he's out the outside. Hey, let's help out our friend, let's go! Hey guys, that building isn't clear, right in front of you. Secure it, secure the building in front.
You're not taking it far.
Post, hey, post right here, okay? Hey, crossing! Excuse me. All right, now all we gotta do is clear them out in a minute. Nick, we're on. Hey, take post right here. You gotta be shitting me. No, come on. My battery's out. He's right around here. Post up right here. Post up right here. Right at the tree. Right straight across. Right there. Yeah, he's right there. Green. Scoop back right here. Scoop back right here. You'll see him more. See him? Nice. Not sure. Yeah, you got him. Nice.
Turns out my gun was actually between semi and auto on the fire selector. So because of this, it didn't let my gun fire at all.
Sir.
Oh, you guys are...
Multicam.
My buddy just shot me.
Huh?
My buddy just shot me in the back.
That's alright. Might want to hit out the other way though, just in case, because they can't see.
I later find out that we have enemies pushing up really close to our spawn in this very building. So I do what I can do.
I love you too. Woo! Oh, nice! Oh, I didn't see that whole. Oh! Shit. Sort it. Look, just peek out a bit.
A little confusion right there. The enemy player didn't see me when I yelled surrender, and to be fair, I said it right when he peeked out. After calling my hit and I was trying to tell the guy that I surrendered him, from the position I am standing right here shows that I kind of didn't really get on my good angle, which is understandable, but luckily the guy was pretty cool enough to call it. The game later ends as a draw as both US Marshals and Cartel are unable to secure Juan in any of the buildings they were supposed to. Also, I will be going to BB Wars on Sunday fighting for the Imperials at GamePod. In the meantime, thank you for watching and check out other perspectives from the game from two different friends. First we got Galahad, the Airsoft medic who was with the Cartels with his DMR and scope cam. We also got the generic Airsoft team who was with the US Marshals. This is Call Sign Joker and I'll catch you guys on the flip side.